Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 6 best stud finders of 2024 because, let's face it, whether you're hanging shelves, mounting a TV, or starting your next DIY masterpiece, you need a tool you can trust to get the job done right. We've tested, researched, and ranked these devices based on performance, usability, and value. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's find out which stud finder is the perfect match for you. Let's start with the CRAFTSMAN, a budget-friendly option perfect for basic tasks. This model keeps things simple with edge detection, meaning it tells you where the edge of a stud begins but won't pinpoint the center. While it's not loaded with fancy features, it gets the job done on drywall, even if it's covered with wallpaper or fabric. Durability is a strong suit here, with a shock-resistant and water-resistant body, so it's built to handle some wear and tear. However, there are limitations. The CRAFTSMAN won't help you find the stud center, which is crucial for precise installations like mounting a heavy TV. And with a maximum detection depth of 3/4 inch, it's not ideal for thicker walls. It's a no-frills tool, but for just about $6, it's hard to beat for light-duty use. Next up, we have the DEWALT, stepping things up with sensor finding capabilities and live AC wire detection. If you're a DIYer who's ever accidentally drilled into a live wire, you know how much of a lifesaver this feature can be. The sensor finding function makes precise installations much easier than edge-only detection. The DEWALT is compact, lightweight, and user-friendly, making it a great option for beginners. That said, its maximum detection depth of 3/4 inch still limits it to drywall, and while it's better than the CRAFTSMAN, it can still struggle with uneven surfaces or walls covered in thicker materials like plaster. Priced around $12, it offers excellent value for money without overcomplicating things. Now let's take a look at the RYOBI, which brings some cool features to the table. It's a standout for its full-width LED display that shows the entire width of a stud at once. This is incredibly helpful when you need to visualize your work area and plan your drill points. The auto depth scan adjusts automatically to walls up to 1.5 inches thick, giving it an edge over shallower models like the DEWALT and CRAFTSMAN options. However, this device lacks live wire detection, which is disappointing for something priced around $30. It's easy to use with an ergonomic design perfect for one-handed operation, but its surface compatibility can be hit or miss on heavily textured walls. Overall, it's a solid mid-range option if you're working on standard drywall and want quick, accurate results. The CRAFTSMAN 77620 is a compact and reliable tool for anyone who values safety and precision. Its live wire detection is a fantastic feature for keeping your project safe, and the sensor finding capability ensures you get the accurate stud locations every time. It's well designed, with an ergonomic profile that makes it easy to handle even during longer jobs. That said, it has the same limitation as the DEWALT model. Its detection depth is capped at 3/4 inch. This makes it less suitable for older homes with thicker walls, but for around $20, this CRAFTSMAN delivers consistent performance, making it a top choice for casual DIYers. Now, if precision is your top priority, look no further than the Franklin ProSensor. This device uses a 13-sensor array, meaning it detects multiple points at once to give you incredibly accurate readings. Its LED display spans 7 inches, so you can see the entire width of studs in real time. This makes it faster and more reliable than traditional models. The ProSensor also shines when it comes to depth, with a maximum detection range of 1.6 inches, perfect for thicker materials. However, it lacks live wire detection, which might make you think twice if safety is a concern. At around $55, it's not cheap, but it's worth the investment if you need high accuracy for professional level projects. Finally, we come to the Bosch GMS 120, a true powerhouse and our top pick for 2024. The multi-mode detector excels at finding not just studs, but also metals and live AC wiring, making it the most versatile option on this list. The center finding function ensures precision, while the 3-color LED ring provides instant feedback on object proximity. What sets the Bosch apart is its depth range. It detects ferrous metals up to 4.7 inches, non-ferrous metals up to 3.1 inches, and live AC wiring up to 2 inches. Plus, with an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, it's built to handle tough job sites. At around $100, it's pricier than the competition, but its versatility and durability make it worth every penny for professionals and serious DIYers alike. And that wraps up our top 6 best stud finders of 2024. From budget-friendly options like the CRAFTSMAN to the versatile and professional-grade Bosch, there's something here for every budget and project. So which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and expert recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.